Hello, little coders. I'm back. It's me, Robo, your coding buddy. Today we are building a real web page, a real one. Woohoo! Are you ready? Say it loud. Ready! Hey students, you can pause this video anytime. Try it with me step by step. You can also ask your parents to join in and subscribe us so you don't miss our more coding magic. To build a web page, we only need two things. 1. Notepad. 2. A web browser. That's it. We will type, save and see. Say it with me. Type, save and see. Again. Type, save and see. Woohoo! Find a grown-up if you need help opening Notepad. Let's do it together. Let's type our first magic word, HTML tag. Say it with me, HTML. This tells the computer, hey, I'm a web page. Good job, you're awesome. Time to give your page a name. Type head tag, title tag, my first web page, and close the title tag. That's the name of your web page. Isn't that cool? Hey coder, want to name your web page something silly? Go ahead, try it with a parent. Now it's body time. Say it loud. Say it loud. Body. This is where all the fun stuff lives. Type body tag and get ready for fun. Pause me now. Type it in and say done when you are ready. I will wait. Let's add a big title. Type this h1 tag. Hello, I'm learning to code. h1 tag close. Say it with me. Big tag h1. So good, you are rocking it. Need help? Type all the letters, ask your grown buddy. Teamwork rocks. Let's write your name now. Type P tag. My name is Robo. P tag close. Woohoo, super cool. Type your name or maybe your pet name to make it fun. Want to see a robot on your page? Type img tag, src source, robot.png is our file name. Bam! Picture time. You can add cats, rainbows, dinos, anything you want. Hey friend, you might need help saving a picture. Ask a parent or teacher, it's okay. Let's paint the background. Type this, body style, background color, light blue. Now your page is sky blue and super cool. Try your favorite color instead of light blue. Maybe pink, red or rainbow. Time to save. Save your file as mypage.html. Then open it in your browser. Whoa, you made it. A real web page. Say it again. Type, save and see. If it doesn't work the first time, don't worry. Just ask your adult helper. You are doing amazing. Hooray! You have built a web page. You are a super coder. Say it with me. I am a coder. Once more time. I am a coder. Yay! Next time we will build buttons. Buttons you can click. Click, click, click. Buttons that say hello or boo. Subscribe and join the next code party. Bye bye. Robo loves coders.